shapes. A shape is the outline or form of an object. Shapes are all around us. Your book, the clock, a pizza slice, everything has a shape. We can group shapes into three main categories. 1D, one dimension, has only length. 2 dimensions, 2D, has length and width, also called breadth. 3D, 3 dimensions, has length, width, and height. What are 1D, one-dimensional shapes? They only have one dimension length. They have no width and no height. 1D shapes are line, line segment, and ray. Let's understand what is point. A point is an exact position in space. It is basic building block of geometry. Properties: it has no size, no length, no width, no height. It is represented by a single dot. We name it with the capital letter point A. Real life examples: tip of a pen or pencil, a dot on a map. What is line? A line is a straight path made of points that extends in both directions without ending. Properties: it has no end points. It can be extended endlessly in both directions. We draw it with arrows on both ends, and we name it with two capital letters AB, and we put the symbol of line over them. Real life examples are long straight rail track, the number line in math. Directions of line: horizontal line is a sleeping line, vertical line is standing line like this, and diagonal line is slanted line like this. What is line segment? A line segment is a part of a line that has two distinct endpoints. Properties: it has two endpoints, it has fixed length. We can draw it with dots on both ends. We name it with two capital letters like PQ, and we put the symbol of line segment over them. Real life examples: edge of a ruler, a pencil, edges of table. What is ray? A ray is a part of line that has one starting point and goes endlessly in other direction. Properties: it has one starting point, it has no ending point. We can draw it with a dot on one end and an arrow on other. We name it with two capital letters MN, and we put the symbol of arrow over them. Real life examples: sunlight traveling to earth, a laser beam, an arrow shot from a bow. Trick to remember: if there are arrows on both sides, it represents a line. If there is an arrow on one side only, it represents a ray. If there is no arrows but two endpoints, it represents a line segment. Identify. So this is a part of line which has two endpoints, and its name is RS. It's the line segment RS. Now this is an arrow and the name is CD, so it's ray CD. It's very easy. It's a point R and two arrows on both sides, and the name is MN. It's a line MN with the symbol of line over them. So just remember the arrows. Both end arrows is a line, one side arrow is a ray, no arrow is a line segment. Line segment has two endpoints like the two words line and line segment. Test your knowledge. You answer these questions yourself and check your answers with me. I have a starting point and an ending point. My length can be measured. What am I? Line segment, because starting point and has ending point. I have no beginning, no end point. I go on forever in both directions. What am I? Goes on forever in two directions, So two directions is a line. I have a starting point but goes on forever in just one direction. What am I? One direction, one arrow, it's a ray. I have no length, no width, and no height. I just mark a position. What am I? So position is a point. This exercise is for you to solve. Write the answer in the comment section. Identify and write the name of this figure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming videos. Bye bye.